This is how you can make money with Eagle Web e-commerce. So in this video, I'll share with you step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to make money online with Eagle Web e-commerce. So Eagle Web e-commerce is a online platform that can enable you to make money. So before we get started, let's check out the legitimacy of the company. So this is the certificate of incorporation, meaning that Eagle Web pays taxes and is registered under the Companies Act of Kenya. So if you want to confirm this, you can visit any Huduma Center and confirm the registration number, that is PV ZQULPVKV. Now let's go to different ways in which you can make money with Eagle Web e-commerce. So with Eagle Web, there are 4 major ways you can make money online. We have academic writing, affiliate marketing, gaming, and network marketing. Without further ado, let's get started with academic writing. So with academic writing, this is where you are given assignments to write, and you earn by the number of pages that you have written. So there are some procedures you need to follow in order to succeed as an online writer with Eagle Web. So when you join, we offer you training, and after going through that training, you can bid for the assignments and start making money. So for you to make money with academic writing, you need to be skilled, and that's why Eagle Web offers you the training. So per page, they normally pay around 300 shillings. So if you do at least 5 pages per day, that's 1500 per day. So let's go into another way you can make money with Eagle Web. So the next one is through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where you resell other people's products. Let's say someone is selling a software, and since you are an affiliate marketer, you are promoting that product, you earn a commission. If someone is selling a product that is worth 2000 shillings and your commission is 50%, that means you earn 1000 shillings when you sell that product. It's not your product. Your job is to just promote the product and earn a commission. And that's another way in which you can make money with Eagle Web. Wholesalers earn up to 10% or more in each product they sell through Eagle Web e-commerce. Another way in which you can make money with Eagle Web is through gaming. Gaming comes in different manners. So you have different types of games like Crash, Mine, Dice, Spin, Coin Flip, Stairs, Diamonds. So with this, when you register, you'll have access to this service. And with gaming, you stake any amount from 10 shillings to 1000. So if you love gambling, you can try this, and this is another way you can make money with Eagle Web. So don't worry, you will get this presentation in the link in the description. So just watch the presentation and also check out the link in the description, because I'll share with you on how to get started. So last but not least, we have network marketing. This is a performance-based marketing where an individual is compensated for recommending a customer to purchase a product or service from the company he or she represents. The only difference with affiliate marketing is that with network marketing, you earn in different levels. So with Eagle Web, we have 2 packages: a diamond package, that is for the big boys, and the gold package. This is not a small account, but it's for beginners who are just getting started. So let's go through the compensation plan of the diamond package. So with diamond package, when someone joins you, or you recommend Eagle Web and someone joins you with a diamond package, no matter whether you are a gold or a diamond, you earn 2000 shillings. This is on your level 1. Now let's go into deeper levels. So let's say this is you, and Kimani joins you with a diamond package. That means he pays Kenya shilling 5000. You will earn 2000 shillings. Now Kimani refers Njeri, and Njeri joins you with the diamond package. you earn 500 from your level 2. Jerry will be your level 2. So to Kimani, Jerry will be is level 1 and Kimani will earn 2,000. Same case as same case as Jerry recruit another person, a diamond, you learn 500. That will be your level 3. Same case, your level 3 refers another diamond, you earn 300 shillings. And in your level 5, you earn 200 shillings. Let's now compare it with the gold package. So this is the diamond package plan. Let's say you refer 5 people and those 5 refers other 5 people, that's 25. So 25 each paid 5,000 and you earn a commission of 500. So 500 times 25 is 12,500. This go deep up to level 6. So let's see now the gold package. So with the gold package, you earn 1,000. But in the diamond package, when someone joins, you earn 2,000. So this is a smaller package. And that is the pay plan, the compensation plan. So how do you get started with this business? So for the diamond package, you pay 5,000 and this is one-time payment. You don't need to renew your account. And for the gold package, you pay 2,500. And below is the compensation plan. So if you are just getting started, you can start with the gold package and upgrade it to diamond when you get money to upgrade. So when someone upgrades, you also earn a commission. That is 2,000 from every upgrade. That is 200. So let's see if network marketing is a good business. So network marketing is being taught as a professional degree course in top universities in the US, like the Dean Faculty of Marketing, University of Illinois, Chicago. These are profession that is being taught. So just know that you are getting into something legit. So some of the professionals who have recommended this kind of business are like Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, Tim Sell, and Anthony Robbins. So how do you get started? SMS your inviter, someone who sent you this presentation, and ask them to give you the link to register. So if you don't have an inviter, you can click here, invite link, and create your own account. So the next step is to choose a package. That's gold or diamond. We have gold, that's for 2,500, and remember this is just a one-time payment. And with gold package, you have access to affiliate marketing, network marketing, and gaming. You don't have online writing or academic writing in the gold package. It's only in the diamond package. That's why it's more expensive compared to gold. This is because you make more money with diamond package. So when you make money, you withdraw on Thursday and your commission arrives to your M-Pesa or bank account on Friday. Make sure you withdraw on Thursday before Thursday midnight. So anytime on Thursday and Friday you will have your commission. So let's go into the testimonial and some of the success stories that we have been able to see with Eagle Web. So this is Emmanuel Omondi with his car Mazda CX-5 courtesy of Eagle Web e-commerce. Emmanuel started just like anyone else, earning about 5,000, moving to 10,000 to now making over 100,000 every week with Eagle Web. And now he owns a car courtesy of Eagle Web e-commerce, just investing 5,000 shillings. Let's now see other testimonial. As you can see, also me, I'm here making 15,000 right now every week with Eagle Web. These are some of the testimonials. You can check it out from the link in description. And if you want to get started, just register through the link in description and you can get started. Reach out to me and I will help you get started. So, is it a legit business? Yes. Is it for everyone? No. This is not for the lazy people. It's for anyone who is just ambitious and wants to generate extra income online. So, who is Eagle Web? It's a e-commerce marketplace where you can make money. And why do you need to join this? It's legitimate. diverse services, affordable, and also it offers support and training. So when you get started, just know that you'll have people to hold your hands and help you till you succeed with Eagle Web. So if you want to get started, just check out the link in the description and I'll be ready to guide you. So some of the questions that people ask is, how much do I need to get started? Gold package is 2,500, diamond package is 5,000. So how long will it take me to make money online with Eagle Web? For most people, it takes within their first month, they make money. So for me, it took me a week and a half to see my first commission with Eagle Web. And right now, I'm still making money with Eagle Web e-commerce. This is the subscription fee paid once or I have to renew monthly. This is a one-time payment. You don't need to renew like any other companies. If I don't have the full subscription fee for Damo, can I subscribe to Cold and later to Damo? Yes, you can always join with Cold and then later with Damo. And that's all. Hope you have learned something. Check out the link in the description to register and to get started. If you are in a hurry, get this presentation through the link in the description and read it at your own pace and reach out to me if you want to get started.